Hi, I am Andre Mik and this is lesson 3 of my free vocal course How to Sing Basic Level. This video is the first part of the words level in singing, because in the previous lesson we learned how to produce sounds correctly. Today we will learn how to let the breath pass freely, sing short vocal exercises on different vowels, and start connecting vocal registers. Subscribe so you don't miss the next lessons, or watch the previous videos of this course if you haven't seen it yet. Let's go! What singing really is? Singing is the vibration of your vocal cords created by airflow passing through them. Today we will learn how to let the airflow pass so you don't sing with your throat and don't get tired quickly. In the next video we will learn how to add pressure to this airflow so you can sing long phrases and high notes without fatigue. So what does letting the breath pass mean? Let's sing a sharp, hard sound ah, like ah. The breath didn't pass. Now let's sing a soft sound ha. Ha. Now the breath passed. So when you feel that your voice sounds dry or heavy, you need to let more breath pass. Now we will sing a vocal warm-up on 3 notes. Sing with me on the vowel A. A is very good for beginner singers. It's friendly unlike some other vowels. O, 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 Now we will sing a 5-note exercise and use the vowels O, A. Try to smooth the transition between O and A, so there is no big difference in how they sound. O, A, O, O, A, O, A, O, A, O, Now let's talk about vocal registers. There are 2 main registers, chest voice and head voice. Chest voice is lower, it's close to your speaking voice. Head voice is higher, it's lighter and travels farther. Registers are used differently depending on the style. In pop music, singers mostly use chest voice. In opera, singers usually sing high notes either in pure head voice or in a mixed voice, with head voice dominating. For beginners, I always recommend not starting with chest voice. Very often it leads to closing the sound, tension, problems with high notes, and pitch accuracy issues. That's why I suggest beginners try to sing mostly in head voice. Chest voice will still appear naturally where it should be, but without overdoing it. Now let's sing an exercise to develop our registers. We will sing a perfect fifth upward. The lower note will sound in chest voice and the higher note in head voice. At some point, as we go higher, the lower note will also start sounding in head voice. And when we go back down, the lower note returns to chest voice. At the very bottom, both notes, low and high, will sound in chest voice. Let's go. Great job! In the next lesson we will move to the second part of the words level. We will work on stable vocal placement, sing more exercises to develop the voice, and learn how to deal with consonants in singing. Many students tell me that they couldn't understand these techniques on their own, but with my guidance everything became clear very quickly and they saved a lot of time. So if you want to learn singing faster and more efficiently, you can book a lesson with me or order a video review of your singing. All information is in the description and in the pinned comment. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new videos. I'm Andre Mik, thank you for watching, see you in the next videos. Bye!